for a fashion show will be declared as winner. Okay? Alright. You start there at the Walker Okay, music maestro. It's one by one, guys, huh? One by one. Alright, start with Angela. Let's give them a round of applause with Angela. Alright, next in line, Elaine. Let's give them a round of applause. And now guys, let's go to the boys. Marvin. Okay, one line. And one line. Alright. And now turn to your left. Turn to your left only. I'm sorry. Alright, turn to your left. Another turn to left. Another turn into your left. And into your left. And now guys, ang gagawin natin dyan is palakasan ng palakpakan kung sino yung gusto nyo. Since you are the judges, guys. All of our customers here are our judges. Okay? Let's give them a round of applause to Marvin! Woo! Only one. Angela! Michael! And Elaine! Alright, thank you very much.